Hello classmates, in this class we will learn about the mode processing technology regulations. Firstly, let's understand the concept of the manufacturing process, the process of directly changing the shape, size, relative position, and properties of the production object during mode production to make it a semi-finished or finished product is called the manufacturing process. The manufacturing process is composed of one or several sequentially arranged procedures. The complete process should include the design of the mold, scheme, planning, and structure design, production technology preparation, processing of molded parts, assembly and trial, mold acceptance and trial use. What is the concept of process? The part of the process that is continuously completed by one or a group of workers at a work site or the same machine tool equipment processing the same or several work pieces at the same time is called a process. What is the basis of dividing processes? It is divided into processes based on the equipment used for work, whether the workpiece being processed has changed, and whether the processing process can be completed continuously. The production application of mold processing is generally single-piece, small batch production, and existing equipment should be fully utilized using equipment and process assembly with good universality. For parts with complex structures and shapes, CNC machine tools or advanced processes and special machine techniques can be used to arrange the manufacturing process, requiring relatively centralized processes to ensure machine accuracy and quality, simplify management, and reduce process turnaround time. As shown in the figure, the mold handle part is composed of several stepped shafts. How should the process of this part be arranged? Firstly, we can see that the shape and the structure of this workpiece are relatively simple, and it is rotating workpiece. Therefore, we can choose the process route of rough turning, semi-precision turning, and precision grinding. At the same time, we will explore two scenarios: cutting, rough turning, semi-precision machine turning, and precision machine grinding in small-scale production. But in the case of large-scale production, in order to save clamping time and tool changing time, it is recommended to first complete the rough machine of the buttonhole, turning the end face and rough turning of the outer cycle, and then perform semi-precision machine with turning, and finally precision grinding. From this process card, we can also see that the completed process card should meet the key elements of process number, process name, process content, and work location. When selecting the process route, we should consider the actual quantity of parts processed, ensure accuracy, and choose a process route with fewer processes and time savings. The mechanical processing process of mold parts is composed of a certain sequence of procedures, and the basic unit of the mold part processing process is the procedure, which is further divided into installation, workstation, steps, and lines. Installation refers to the process of positioning and clamping the workpiece in the machine tool or fixture before processing. We can also perform multiple installation in one process. The workstation is a part of the installation process. It refers to the part of the process completed by the workpiece at each position, relative to the machine tool or fixture during a clamping process. Using multiple workstations can reduce installation frequency and improve productivity. A step is a part of a process that is continuously completed when the machine surface, cutting tool, cutting speed, and speed rate remain unchanged. If any factor changes, it becomes another step. For example, in machine, the commonly referred to composite step can be seen from the figure on the right. In drilling blind holes and turning step shafts, the tool has been replaced without re-clamping the workpiece, which is called a composite step. Tool running. Tool running refers to the part of the work completed by the tool, making one cut relative to the workpiece machine surface. Each step may include one or several tool runs. Next, we will learn the second part, the process specifications and functions of mold processing. The meaning of the mold processing technology specifications is a process document that specifies the manufacturing process and methods of mold parts. It is the basis for production preparation and technical preparation before the mold is put into manufacturing, an important document for organizing mold production and planning management, a guiding document for specific operating methods in the mold manufacturing process, and basic information for building or expanding factories or workshops. So how are the process cards and machine procedures cards for mold processing specifically compliant? Let's learn together from the contents of the following two cards. The process card for mold mechanical processing should include the part name, drawing number, material name and grade type and size of the blank, and the quality of the part. We need to fill in the job number, process content, equipment name, as well as cutting tools, fixtures, and time quarters in the process arrangement. Look at the mold matching process card again. It can be seen that the process card actually refines the part of the process content in the process card, from the type and external dimensions of the blank to the equipment name, model number, and fixture number name used, as well as the specific parameters and working hours quarter required for the step content, process equipment, and processing process. The specific writing methods of process cards and operation cards still need to be consolidated in practice. The steps formulating the mold processing technology specification are divided into 4 steps. The first step is to analyze and study the mold assembly drawing and review the part drawing. In the process of reviewing the part drawing and assembly drawing, we need to pay attention to the completeness and correctness of the design drawing, the technical requirements of the part, as well as whether the material selection of the part is appropriate and the structural processability of the part. After the review of the part drawings is correct, the second step is to select the appropriate blank. Pay attention to selecting the appropriate blank material and size. The third step is to draft the processing route. After drafting the processing route, the fourth step is to determine the specific content of the process, arrange reasonable processing equipment, parameters, working hours, clamping methods, etc. These 4 steps are the complete steps of the machine process specification.